we're so seasoned at doing these events. It's like hand in a glove. You just slip into the Barossa and it's so comfortable. I'm Rob Gibson and it's the Barossa Gourmet Weekend, and you're at Gibson Wines, of course. You know, we say we're in the entertainment business really, but wine's just the lubricant. So that's pretty much our approach. Yeah, enjoying the weekend here with some lovely food from Andre's Cucina.
The Gibson family, they're fantastic. We love their wines, like to stock them in the restaurants, and they match perfectly with our food.
If you venture out into the Barossa Valley, it will be exciting. And if you can make a couple of friends along the way and drink some really tasty wine out of the Barossa, along with some food that matches quite well, a little bit of casual guitar work during the evening and into the night, it's a wonderful sort of festival feeling for us. Music varies a little, food varies of course, wine varies a little, but it's always good wine. Here's to the Barossa.